Welcome back to Believe in Yourself. This is your sacred space to reconnect with the infinite power within you. If you have ever felt blocked around money, doubted your worth, or felt like abundance was just out of reach, this prayer is for you. Today, we are locking the vibration of money, wealth, and true abundance, not just in your bank account, but in your heart, your mind, and your spirit. Take a deep breath, let the past dissolve. You are safe to receive now. You are safe to expand now. You are safe to be wealthy now. Close your eyes, relax, let's begin. I'm sorry, money, for the ways I have feared you. Please forgive me for rejecting wealth with my beliefs. Thank you, wealth, for waiting patiently for me to feel worthy. I love you, abundance, and I welcome you in. I am sorry for thinking I had to struggle. Please forgive me for every time I said I can't afford it. Thank you for all the unseen blessings already on the way. I love you, financial freedom. I'm sorry for the guilt I have carried around money. Please forgive me for believing money is hard to earn. Thank you for every dollar that's ever come into my life. I love you, money. I'm sorry for pushing abundance away. Please forgive me for choosing survival over trust. Thank you for the miracles of overflowing. I love you, prosperous energy. I'm sorry for every financial trauma in my lineage. Please forgive me for carrying lack in my nervous system. Thank you for the power to rewrite my wealth story. I love you, infinite source. I'm sorry for shrinking to fit others' expectations. Please forgive me for tying my worth to my income. Thank you for my ability to create wealth with love. I love you, abundant universe. I'm sorry for thinking wealth wasn't spiritual. Please forgive me for believing I had to prove myself to earn. Thank you for teaching me that I am already enough. I love you, peaceful prosperity. I'm sorry for fearing success. Please forgive me for sabotaging opportunities. Thank you for the grace that still finds me. I love you, life of overflow. I'm sorry for choosing fear over faith. Please forgive me for believing there is never enough. Thank you for the shifting happening me in now. I love you, new wealthy me. I love you, wealth. I love you, life. I love you, me. I'm sorry, money, for pushing you away in shame. Please forgive me for not believing I am worthy of receiving. Thank you for showing me my value through contrast. I love you for being patient with me all these years. I'm sorry for shrinking. Wealth belongs to others, not me. Please forgive the wounds that made me fear success. Thank you for staying near even when I ignored you. I love how money responds to love, not fear. I'm sorry for speaking lack into my reality. Please forgive me for coping scarcity I witnessed growing up. Thank you for giving me another chance every single day. I love the new energy flowing into my finances. I'm sorry for judging those who had more. Please forgive me for believing abundance was selfish. Thank you for the ways you have already supported me. I love you. How secure I feel now with every breath. I'm sorry for every time I doubted myself. Please forgive me for believing I didn't deserve luxury. Thank you for showing me I am more than my past. I love the softness of self belief growing in my spirit. I'm sorry for fearing visibility and success. Please forgive my fear of being seen in power. Thank you for helping me reclaim my light. I love the version of me who boldly receives. I am sorry for trying to earn love by undercharging. Please forgive me for making success small to fit in. Thank you for opening the doors I once locked. I love the grace that floods my energy field. I am sorry for thinking I had to hustle for work. Please forgive my addiction to proving myself. Thank you for the freedom in effortless receiving. I love the pace that flows with aligned abundance. I am sorry for fearing I would lose it all. Please forgive the panic I held around money. Thank you for your quiet, unconditional love. I love the healing happening in my nervous system. I am sorry for staying broke to belong. Please forgive the child in me who didn't know better. Thank you for guiding me gently back to truth. I love the beauty in my divine worth. I am sorry for ignoring intuitive nuggets to expand. Please forgive the parts of me afraid to grow. Thank you for showing me how safe it is to thrive. I love myself more with each financial breakthrough. I am sorry for suppressing my brilliance. Please forgive me for settling for less. Thank you for reminding me who I am. I love the way my soul glows in abundance. I am sorry for thinking wealth would corrupt me. Please forgive the fears I inherited around riches. Thank you for teaching me that money is neutral. I love the spiritual alignment of ethical wealth. I am sorry for hoarding instead of trusting flow. Please forgive the scarcity I carried unknowingly. Thank you for releasing the old templates. I love the elegant rhythm of receiving and giving. I'm sorry for delaying my own happiness. Please forgive me for waiting for permission to shine. Thank you for showing me my voice matters. I love how richly I am supported now. I am sorry for thinking my dreams were unrealistic. Please forgive me for playing safe with my gifts. Thank you for making the impossible feel natural. I love how the universe responds when I trust. I am sorry for ever choosing fear over flow. Please forgive the version of me who didn't believe. Thank you for never giving up on me. I love the miracles arriving right now on time. I am sorry for forgetting that I am enough. Please forgive the lack I entertain in my thoughts. Please forgive the lack I entertained in my thoughts. Thank you for the wealth rising within me now. I love the magnetic abundance flowing through my soul. You are not broken. You were just programmed to believe you were not worthy of wealth. But you are. You are always been. And now you are ready to receive. Say this with me. I am magnet for divine wealth. I receive with ease. I hold it with love. I grow it with purpose. If this prayer moved you, listen daily for 21 days. Let it rewire your mind. Let it cleanse your energy. Let it open your portals of receiving. Always remember, you were born to live in abundance, not anxiety. Keep healing, keep rising, Thank you for being here.